Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Sumo Logic. First, you'll need to set up data collection. Sumo Logic helps you unify logs, metrics, and traces from all your applications and infrastructure. This platform provides cloud-native security and operations intelligence, giving you a complete view of your environment. You can deploy collectors and agents to gather data from various sources, ensuring all your critical information is ingested properly for effective analysis and monitoring. Once your data is flowing into Sumo Logic, the next step is to search and analyze it. Navigate to the search page to begin querying your ingested data. You can apply powerful search operators to quickly refine your results, making it easy to pinpoint specific events or trends. Filter logs by time range, source, and keywords to narrow down your focus. Then, visualize your search results using various chart types, like bar charts or line graphs, to gain deeper insights. To maintain continuous visibility, you'll want to create interactive dashboards. These dashboards allow you to monitor key metrics and combine multiple panels for a holistic operational view of your systems. Beyond monitoring, Sumo Logic enables you to set up real-time alerts for critical events. You can configure these alerts to notify you instantly via email, Slack, or custom webhooks, ensuring your team is always aware of potential issues and can respond promptly to maintain system health. Finally, Sumo Logic empowers you to troubleshoot issues and optimize your systems effectively. By leveraging the insights gained from your data, you can perform faster root cause analysis, reducing downtime significantly. The platform helps you identify performance bottlenecks across your entire technology stack, from applications to infrastructure. This allows you to optimize resource utilization based on clear data trends, ultimately improving overall system reliability and efficiency, leading to a more robust and stable environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.